ways to create your first online course. So I'm excited for you to be here in this free training. Now, please know that this free training is for you if you are ready. You are ready to create your first online course. You have an expertise and you know it. It's time to go. So that's why you are viewing this video. So here are 3 little secrets. If you can show a specific type of person to do a specific type of something, you have the expertise needed to create an online course. If you can demonstrate a specific process that will leave the person you are showing able to obtain a result, they can either use it, they can see it or feel it, you can put this in an online course. Number 3, there isn't just one way to present your course. You can tailor your delivery to match your own personality, your talents, skills, preferences, learning style, and your pocketbook, okay? Now, number 1, the first place you have to start is with your story. Not with my story, not with Jan's story, not with Paul's story, but with your story. Think about this. What are the key highlights and lowlights in your life? Write those down. What or who inspired you? What challenges did life throw your way? What epiphanies do you have? Not what I had or what somebody else's opinion is. What did you have? What have you managed to achieve in spite of limitations? Okay, so start there. Start with your story. I want you to sit there for a minute with that one, okay? Make sure that you write these questions down and you can be on your way with the first one, okay? So make sure you write these down. Number 2, look at what's selling. You still need to make sure that it's your topic in your area is one where it really is a need, and where there's a real need, people will pay. It will be up to you to give it a twist to appeal to a certain segment of people that are paying, okay? But still look at what's selling. Number 3, narrow it down to a specific style you're going to teach. Find an even narrow audience selection that has demonstrated the need for your course. Okay. There's so many different ways you can look at this. You can definitely use AI tools to help you with your research. Okay. I would say that you can definitely talk to real life people. Okay. Look at YouTube. What you're watching this via YouTube. YouTube is a playing ground for research. Look and see what's selling. Look at the top videos in your topic. So type in your topic. See what people are looking for. Okay. For example, look at this spiral in nature. You gotta look around. Look at the ratio. Look at the point. Utilize patterns. Okay. So that's why you want to utilize the patterns to what is working. You can base your course on any of the following: 3 videos, 3 modules, 3 sections, okay? Or it can be 4, or it can be 5, okay? I just put 3, okay? So 3 is just like the easy number. Create 3 videos, have 3 different modules, and 3 different sections, okay? You can create a simple but focused surveys using tools like SurveyMonkey and JotForm to gather information that you need. That's where you're going to ask and you're going to observe. Okay, that's number 5. Number 6, you're going to create an outline for your course. So you can design the course first, and you can write it later. Okay, or record it later. Number 7, I want you to keep it simple. All right. Don't overcomplicate things. All right. Overcomplication is the kiss of death to creating a hot course. If you overcomplicate or you make it complicated with too much information or over involved method, people will abandon it and they won't even start with the course. So keep it simple. Keep it simple. KISS. Keep it simple. No, K was it KIS? well, they say keep it simple something. KISS. Keep it simple something. Something. It's another S that people use. Number 8, give it a catchy name. So you need to give your course like a punchy, a high impact name, or failing that, a clear descriptive name containing your most important keywords. So having how to or step by step tells the visitor instantly that this course will show them how to do something. Okay. Number 9, test your course. Okay. Ask for beta volunteers amongst your closed community. If you have one, you have an email list, ask people to volunteer. Okay. To learn something. All right. That's going to really, really help them. Offer it as a free challenge for your Facebook group if you have one, asking only that they comment on it and give you feedback. Or do the same with your subscribers. You can do the same for your YouTube. You can do the same for your email, wherever you have your audience, but you want to test out your course. You can also live stream it as well. Going live. 7 specific steps to get more of the right people to attend your live stream. Okay. So you can decide on one single clear issue or topic you're going to talk about, or one question you are going to ask. Let your group members, or if you're going to do this like on YouTube, let them let your group members know you're going to be talking about a specific topic. Pick the time. Be sure you state at the time zone you're in at least 2 days in advance. Then you can invite them to join you and ask questions and share their own tips. Okay. So let people know in advance that you're going live. Okay. Especially if this is something new to you. Now, if you are someone that has been, in the online space for a long time, you're used to people, showing up on your lives, then you could probably be a little bit more spontaneous. But if it's new to you, this is new to you, and you want to create a course, let people know at least 2 days in advance. Okay. Announce it again the next day. Just a reminder, you can invite specific people that you would love to have on your live stream. Even if they can't join live, tell them to watch the replay. And don't just invite anybody. Invite people that can benefit from your course. So test all your equipment. Make sure you have a strong connection in the location that you're going to be streaming from. And then an hour before your live stream, you can say, I'm going live in an hour. Join me to blank, whatever you're talking about in your live stream. But make sure you remind people one last time, about maybe 10 or 15 minutes before. Don't make it sound so promotional. You could say like, I'm really nervous about my first live stream. If it's your first time, and say, please join me in 15 minutes to give me some more support. Or you could say, I'm excited about my live stream. Drop by in 10 minutes and let's discuss blank. So depending on what you're going to discuss. So you can put this with a nice picture, or you can actually make this a reel, a TikTok, or on YouTube. They have the shorts, so you can do that as well. But have something so you can remind people. Because you got to remember, look, we are busy and sometimes we forget. Okay, we just forget things. All right, so raise your FAQs. This is another way to help you with your course. You can look at frequently asked questions that you've gotten before, like your email, your help desk tickets, your blogs, your website comments, your own tip sheets, your FAQ section on your website, your past webinars or trainings and YouTube videos, past live streams, or a course. If you have a course before this one, look at your archives, look at your groups, look at your FAQs too. That's what's going to really, really help you to know what to create. All right. Then you can get participation by crowdsourcing it. So crowdsourcing simply means getting as many people participation and input. You can crowdsource by soliciting input from fellow experts and your own team members, past mentors or coaches, past and current clients, and members of relevant Facebook groups that you belong to. This is where you can also leverage any other groups that you belong to so that you can get feedback. The more feedback that you can get, the more better. Okay. One of the easiest ways to do this is within closed Facebook groups, where they can easily be able to both create and add documents. You can have them to upload their own documents there as well. Number four is repurposing your book. All right. So if you are author, you can expand your content from your book to create your course. Did you know that? Absolutely. Absolutely. Even if people have demanded refunds from your book, or maybe look at it as a huge thank you if they didn't like the book, that's okay. If you sold your book directly from your website or from a platform that allows returns, it lets you know why people may not like it, or if people maybe they read the book and they're just like, you know what, it's not for them. It's okay to receive that feedback, even if you've gotten, Amazon reviews and they weren't so good. I've gotten those too, but I don't take it as a fail. I take it as something that I need to learn. Okay, maybe that's something that I need to grow from. You can repurpose your material into every format when turning it into a course. So you can take your book and you can repurpose it into videos, into live streams, into webinar series, email courses, on demand pre-recorded course, or even live courses, audio courses, interactive PDFs, live Q&A sessions, live case studies, printable PDFs. Okay, you can choose to expand on the whole topic in general in the book, or you can expand on the specific sections of your book that people want more of. Assume people have applied what the book taught, and you could take it to the next level with an advanced level, perhaps maybe one-on-one coaching section at the end of the course. Okay, so even with my current book that I just launched, I plan on turning that into, I'm actually going to turn it into a workshop. So I got a whole method in how I repurpose my books. Once when I first started publishing books, I use my blog posts on Medium, and then I turn those into books, and then I turn the book into a workshop, a live workshop. Those that attend the live workshop get a copy of my book. All right, that's another way you can sell your book. And then those workshops then turn into one-on-one consultant clients, people that want to consult with me when it comes to their books and digital products and things like that. So there's just so much that you can do. You can also remember special days. I want you to also remember, if you do remember this book, and look it up, The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. Now, this is a classic, okay? So I want you to remember with his book, Stephen Covey, he had this book, and you're probably going to see it in so many different colors, okay? That's the one on my screen is the 25th anniversary edition, okay? It may be red. I think the one I saw online even now is red. But after his death, the rights were acquired by Franklin Quest, who you can find online presenting the book material as a 2-day seminar under his name, Franklin Covey, which is the name of his company. So I'm just giving you some examples of people that turned a book and then he turned it into a 2-day seminar. Okay, so that these are examples of people that do that. Okay, and then I gave you my own example. All right, which mine is in process right now. Okay, so another application, a book to course, is productivity expert Laura Stack's book. So she has the execution is the strategy. Okay. So if you can look on her website, you can also see that she turned hers into a series of 4 free productivity mini courses. Okay. So she turned hers into mini courses. All right. Repurpose that content, y'all. Repurpose those books. Let's take a look at money, the money mindset mentor. This is Denise Thomas. She used her principles that she preaches in her book as a basis for her high ticket and also her free courses. So she offers a free video course, Release Your Money Blocks and Reclaim Your Money Power. And she added her other book, Reclaim Your Money Power, as a free bonus for registering. So you can take your book and do just about anything. So you look at all of the books that you have published. Okay. Look at all of the books that is on its way to publishing. I bet you you can create a course from those books. You have courses, and that makes me think about my own books and content like that. I have so much, And it was not until I said, you know what, I wanted to do this free training. And I thought about it. I said, you know what, I'm going to be an example of what I teach, because it's no need to recreate. It's no need. If people bought your book, okay, people bought your book, then yeah, absolutely. You want to have it in a course. Okay. So let me go back and present. I don't know what happened to my screen. There we go. Guess it wanted to act up. Okay. There we go. Okay, so you can take the books that you already have. A lot of you that watch my YouTube are already authors. You have your courses right there. You just have to get it done. But of course, I'm going to show you a quicker way and how to get this done. I know you're like, well, Sharlrita, how do I do that? How do I really map out my book to get this done? I want to introduce you to my 4 week online course, how to turn your book into a online course. Okay, it's a 4 module. It's self training system, so you can access the course at any time. You can get inside the course and take those modules at your own pace. Okay, at your own time, because I know that you're busy, so you can do that. But I'm going to show you how to choose the right format for your online course, as well as share proven platforms that make course creation easy and make your course attractive to your own tribe. So here's what it's all about. We got the first module where we'll go over the fantastic formats for online courses. Okay, so we're going to talk about those. The learner objective is going to be for you deciding on and choosing your best course format. Okay, so these are the things that we're going to talk about, plus more on module 1. Module 2, we're going to talk about course buyers love a step-by-step plan. So this is where you're going to learn the secrets and tricks to turning your complex books into appealing step-by-step courses. So how you're going to really take the content that you have and how we're going to make it and format it. Okay, because you want to make sure your course doesn't feel like it's just repeating the book content. There's a particular way you have to do that. All right. So like I told you, I'm doing a workshop. It's not going to be really regurgitating what's in the book. However, it's going to be the premise around that where they're going to get the step by step. Plus, I'm giving them a copy of my book as well. Module 3 is I'm going to talk about beefing up the course and adding value and insight. Okay. Giving you ways to dig deeper in an online course that you can in a book. Okay. So there's a difference between, writing a book and then turning it into a course, and just some ways that you can really take it to the next level and add value and insight to it. Okay, that's module 3, and there's some other points too that we're going to talk about in module 3. Module 4, we're going to talk about getting your members involved and how to add extra depth strictly with your course format. Okay, giving you some tips and some strategies to get this done, so that people are taking courses billions of dollars industry, and there's room for your course. But I'm going to teach you how to really get your members involved where they actually complete the course. Okay. All right. So we're going to be talking about that as well. So I want to help you to keep your students interested and moving forward, and actually, what does it really take? Okay. So if you're ready to learn how to make your course creation easy while increasing your course's value, finding the perfect course format and platform, and learning what it really takes, and learn methods, tips, and secrets to making any course memorable and shareable, plus a pro shortcut and enhancements to add more power to your teaching, and how to make your students eager to come back for more. All right, so come on and learn in my 4-week course. Very interactive. Yes, you can take it on your pace, but I have some components in there that's going to really be worth your while. So I have the link in the description. Go ahead and sign up, and I hope to see you in the course. Okay, so if you have any questions about turning your book into course and how you can really do that, if you have specific questions, I would love to answer them. Go ahead and comment below, and I appreciate you so much for watching this YouTube video. Also, make sure, or this YouTube training, really, okay? So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, hit that notification bell. So when I upload a new training, okay, I will be doing a lot of these trainings. You will be the first to know, okay? So until the next time, I see y'all on the other side. Bye.